Magda has a tablecloth that fits on this tabletop, with 20 centimeters hanging down over each edge. She wants to put a lace border right around the edge of the tablecloth. What is the length of the lace she needs? Okay, so let's make a little diagram. This is Magda's table. Now we know that the tablecloth fits on this tabletop with 20 centimeters hanging over each edge. Now that might look something like this. And let's make that nice and even. Perfect. So, this shape in the middle, this was 1 meter, and this was 2 meters. But now, since there's 20 centimeters extra hanging down over each edge, which we can represent by this being 20 centimeters, and this also being 20 centimeters, we have this new size of the tablecloth. So, what's the length of the lace that she needs? So pretty much what they're asking us is the perimeter of this big tablecloth. Since we need to put lace around every single inch of this border. So we need to find the length of this times 2 and the length of this times 2. Since there is this and this as well as that and that. So let's calculate our first smaller side here. We have 1 meter plus 20 centimeters here and 20 centimeters here. So 1 meter plus 0.2 plus 0.2, since 0.2 meters is what 20 centimeters is. Now, converting this all to centimeters, what we get is 140 centimeters. Okay, looking at our long side here, it is very similar. We have a 2 meter long length, then we have 20 centimeters across here and 20 centimeters across there. So it'll be 200 centimeters plus 20 plus 20. So 200 plus 20 plus 20. And that'll equal to 240 centimeters. Now remember, we have to multiply each of these by 2 to find the perimeter in the end. So what we get is 140 times 2, which is 280. And then 240 times 2, which is 480. And then we add them together. So 280 plus 480. And we get our final answer, 760, or our answer here, D.